Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Sunday, October 3rd. I finally finished up my work. Weekends are the busiest time for me, so I finished up about 5 and took off for a ride. On the Spyder today, of course. Filled it up last night and I took a ride in the evening. Beautiful day though. Look, our weather's finally cooled off. It's October, so it should be a little cooler. It's only, I think the top is only supposed to be 84 all next week, or all this coming week, which is great. Sure beats 99 and 100. Now I can ride during the day again. And then when winter gets here, it's the perfect riding season for us in Texas, and well, South Texas. I'm in the Austin area, so perfect riding season in the winter. This is extending the toll road over here, so it'll be under construction for a couple years. It'll be still under construction when I get out of here. When I finally move. We're going up to the house on Tuesday because neighbors sent us, we're going to talk about concrete with our builder, but the neighbors sent us pictures and they got the insulation done, which is good. So the next thing should be drywall. So hopefully they'll be doing drywall this week when we go up. That'll be really cool. Make a huge difference with just the insulation. It'll be much cooler in the house. I flew the drone a little bit yesterday. It's uploading now. And I did a cook on my Blackstone today, and I did my Chef Dumas. My wife, I started another channel, Chef Dumas. And it's all Blackstone cooking, but I made pork tenderloins, the stuff from the Midwest, like pork tenderloin sandwiches, but I didn't use any buns. Probably Friday, and today I made a huge batch of chicken fried rice on the griddle, and it's incredible. I take a big huge plate over to my neighbors that are retired, and they love it too. So my wife was already eating it when I was walking to the neighbors with some food. But it was really good. I did a cook on Chef Dumas, but it's still uploading right now. Kind of cut off my head, but at least you can see the griddle and you can hear me now. I forgot to turn on the transmitter yesterday or Friday. Bye.